Welcome back everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to use scanner class, why to use scanner class and what is scanner class. So this will be very short and informative video. If you are new to the channel, just hit the like and subscribe button and share this video as much as possible. So let's start. Without a further delay, we are going to start. We will here I am using Eclipse ID. You can use whatever ID you want, and I already made a workspace here. So first thing first, what is scanner class? So scanner class is already present in java.util package. It is a class in Java that we do not need to make. It is already present there in java.util package. So it is used to take input from the user. Suppose I make a application, I make a calculator application, so I publish it online. So the first thing, the first number, suppose a user want to add something, some two-digit number, so he will give me the first number. So how he don't know me, I don't know him, how can I take the first number? So he can directly give me the number itself from the keyboard, from the console. So for example, suppose my application is a calculator and I have to add two number. So the user should, but the catch is the number should be given by the user. So how user will give it to me? By console itself, by the keyboard, by the help of keyboard. So that's why we use system.in. System.in, we will discuss within a minute or two in this video itself. System.in, why we use it. So first, we know that scanner class is already present in java.util package. So first we want to use scanner class. We want to take an input from the user. So first let's make an object. So first let's make an object scanner. My object name here I am giving my obj. You can name it whatever you want, is equal to new scanner. And this is the way we make a object in Java. Generally, we make a object in Java like this only. But here we are making an object of scanner class, but we did not mention or import any uh, scanner class here, but directly we are making an object. So it will generate an error. See here when I hover over it, see here import scanner java.util. So it is suggesting me that you cannot directly make a object of scanner class. You just have to show the root first, that scanner class is present here. Then you can make a scanner class object. Here I clicked on it and here it is importing the java.util.scanner. So now I can make object of scanner class because I am already importing it here. So now it is again the error is not gone. See here it is expecting an argument from me. So the thing that I was telling you guys, system.in is this. So we are taking input from the system directly, console, keyboard directly. So that's why we are using system.in. Okay, so here we already make an object of scanner class, and by the help my object name is my obj, and by the help of my object I will use the scanner class. So first thing first, now come to the question. The first thing, what will I ask to the user? Enter the first number, then enter the second number, then I am going to add that two number and return this to the user as a result. Understand? So let's ask to the user system dot out dot println. So I am going to ask to the user that enter the first number. So user will tell me what is the first number, and then he is going to tell me what is the second number, and then I am going to add that two number and return it to the user. So here I asked the user enter the first number. So now user will respond. So most probably I ask the user to enter the number. So most probably it will be a integer data type, float, double, short, These are the all the data type that user can give me the number. Let's say for better understanding, user will give integer data type number. I am sure of that. Let's suppose the user will only give integer data type. So user will give me 2, 3, 4, 5, any number that he want of integer data type. So I will take that and store it in integer data type itself. So let's make an integer data type int num1 is equal to, now this is the place where I am going to store the answer of the user. Here this is my container. Okay, so now how we are going to save the answer from the user. First take the answer from the user, then we are going to save it. So now how we're going to take the answer? We already make an object, and by the help of this object we are going to take the answer from the user. My object dot see, I am supposing the user will give me the integer data type only. So my object dot next int. So this is how user will give me the first number. See here, user are giving me the first number, and I am going to store it in my container itself. Now the second question. Enter the second number. System wait. System dot out dot println. Here I am going to ask enter the second number, and user will give me the second number. Enter the second number. So now user will give me the second number, and again I am going to store the second number in a variable. And suppose the user will give only integer data type number, so I am going to store it in a integer data type number. In num2 is equal to, again by the help of my object dot see, lots of suggestions is there. Next int, next short, next bool, next string. So we are going to use next int. You can use whatever you want. So here I already stored my first number, and then I already stored my second number. Now I am going to return the result to the user. Okay, so system dot I am going to add my both number out dot println, and here I am going to decorate it. The sum of two number is here my num1 plus num2, whatever the number I took from the user. So let's run the application itself. Run as Java application. So here enter the first number, let's say 2. Now enter the second number, again 2. The answer should be 4, but here it is a catch here. So first pause the video and tell me why is this happening. So I'm going to run this application. The answer should be 4, but I think you should pause the video and think why is this happening. The sum of two number is 22. The first number is 2 and the second number is 2, and here the sum should be 4, but is giving me the sum is 22. Here it is not adding, actually it is concatenating. That is, we are not expecting. See here the sum of two number is here, whatever I gave it, I think I am right, but why is this happening? This you should pause the video and think, and let's answer it. So now we are giving it a string value first. We are giving here a string, and it is thinking that there is a two operations going on here. First concat string and integer, concatenation between string and integer, and another thing is adding, concating and adding, both of is happening here. So when you want to do multiple operations in a single line, you should give a extra braces. Whatever the operation you want to do first, you want to happen first, so you can give it extra priority by giving a extra braces. So now the result should be as expected. The first number is 2, the second number is 2, and the output is 4. So this is why it is happening. So this is how we are going to use the scanner class, and I hope you like the video, and you should try a hell lot of thing on it. Whenever you will try, just do all the arithmetic operations and another creative ideas on scanner classes. Okay, but this is the basic syntax. There first you are going to make an object, give an object name, then system.in. Why system.in? Because you are going to take the input from the user but directly from the console or your keyboard. Okay, then import a scanner statement and then take a input from the user and store that input in the similar data type that you are expecting from the user, and then you can play with the data type or play with the input. Okay, so let's hope you like the video, and like my channel and subscribe it and share this video. Bye bye.